1.20 update announcement disappointing? Yes. Was the Minecraft 1.20 update underwhelming? Also yes. But is this the right way Mojang had to go about the update this year? And the answer to that question is yes. Today in this video, I want to share with you my honest opinions about the 1.20 update reveal. But also in this video, I want to share with you dev confirmed information that needs to be shared with the community before we start getting misguided on the next major updates for Minecraft. With that being said, please take the time to watch this whole entire video before you leave any comments. I know a lot of you have some very strong opinions with what was announced for the Minecraft 1.20 update. I'm all ears. I will be looking at the comment section, but please take the time to listen to what I have to say in this video first. Let me start from the beginning. I found out about this update 4 days earlier than all
Magandang hapon po. Samantala, kasalukuyang ipinasara ni Herobrine ang Minecraft Channel 12 na may kasong biased programming, sapagkat na ito ibababasura na ang Minecraft ngayon araw. Live mula sa Minecraft Network si Zombie, anong sa pagkabisa o biasing na kung ibabasura talaga ang Channel 12.
Yes sir, sa kasalukuyang itong sumara ng Channel 12 sa bagong intro, replaced, is called biased program and etc. Nag-i-error itong sa katapusan ng ating Channel 12 ay mulin pong magsasara, ayon sa National Telecommunications Commission o NTC na isasasara na dahil sa cease and desist order ng Minecraft. Ayon sa President and CEO ng Minecraft Herobrine na nasabing sa insidenteng pagne-network into ang net worth ng nasabing network ay nasa 250 milyong piso na, so I have that is my life, so wala na talaga. Wither.
Maraming salamat po Zombie. Nasabing sa insidente ang pagne-network ng Minecraft na isasara na. Ayon sa statement ng Minecraft na isasara na sa ngayon. Mahihirap ang mga technical operator sa Channel 12 na maging maayos at matapang na sa nasabing network. Nag-expire ito noong September 25. Sa maayos na pag-shutdown sa ating sahimpapawid na serbisyong publiko at entertainment na makatutulong ito sa mga tao. Sahimpapawid na istasyong pagsasara na mamaya. Samantala makakapanayan sa ating Executive Chief Officer na si Herobrine na mapapakinggan ang pangyayari. Panuurin natin.
If appreciated to network starts today, want to like this for public service and entertainment that you enjoy Minecraft. Thank you so much to another day of broadcasting. Will be repairing of this network shutdownly. If increase the station's sign off and localized statically, however, the Minecraft 12 is now signing off. Goodbye.
Maraming salamat po sa ating network na kasalukuyang papasara ng National Telecommunications Commission o NTC na may cease and desist order na may kinilangan na ito po ay biased sa pagpapagawing itong shutdown para sa kasalukuyang pagbabroadcast na network na hindi ma-renew ang aming network. Maraming salamat po sa pinagkakatiwalaang katotohanan sa network. Maraming salamat po. Ang Minecraft Network ay kasalukuyang pagpapasara. Maraming salamat po sa kahirapang pagdiditingang cuttingan sa network. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat sa pagtitiwala sa alaala ng ating network. Hanggang sa muli.
This is Minecraft DZLSD TV Channel 12, a commercial TV station, with the power of 120,000 watt transmitter authorized under station license number BSD04-01-2022 run issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2022. Minecraft studios are located at Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, and Minecraft transmitter are located at Sergeant Escuera Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. Minecraft engineering is headed by Hero Brian, Professional Electronics Engineer number 547. Minecraft personnel is composed by electronics engineers, electronics technician, and first-class radio operators with duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Steve, electronics engineer number 16725. Zombie Girl, 11 to 1 PHN-6715. Villager, electronics engineer number 12590. Pillager, Professional Electronics Engineer number 00000095. Wither Skeleton Girl, 94 to 1 P-3528. Enderman, 11 US 26,183,619. Zombie, 15 to 1 PNCR-4510. Ghast, Electronics Technician number 669,120. Slime, Electronics Technician number 15,508. Alex, Electronics Technician number 40,981. Zombified Piglin, Electronics Engineer number 251,783. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 35 stations nationwide via Minecraft Network and affiliated stations. Luzon, Channel 12 Manila, TV5 Tarlac, TV13 Benguet, TV12 Pangasinan, TV8 Apari, TV3 Batangas, TV16 Oriental Mindoro, TV8 Occidental Mindoro, TV8 Masbate, TV8 Naga, TV5 Legazpi, TV10 Sorsogon, TV2 Catanduanes, Visayas, TV25 Bacolod, TV4 Sipley, TV29 Murcia Negros Occidental, TV9 Antique, TV10 Cebu, TV6 Catbalogan, TV7 Negros Oriental, TV6 Rojas, TV5 Tacloban, TV8 Mandaw, TV11 Iloilo, TV2 Guimaras, Mindanao, TV6 Hala, TV35 Kidanglad, TV10 Davao, TV10 General Santos, TV2 Bukidnon, TV9 Dipolog, TV7 Pagadayan, TV12 Sabaanga. Affiliated stations: TV35 Misamis Occidental, TV31 Marinduque, TV5 Romlan, TV18 Ilo Coser, TV49 Tawi Tawi, TV18 Det. This is Minecraft, now signing off.